On this
They are
issue,
working, they are
they
not
shouldn't-
working regularly. They are not working timely. Only for demand. Thou. Please give me allowance. Please give me allowance.
The stand of the state was that there is, my lord, no arrears. My lord, DNS allowance, my lord, has been paid according to, my lord, the revision of pay and allowances. My lord, that's,
there is a gross difference between the center.
of course, there is, my lord, and there, my lord,
কোথা থেকে দেবে? টাকা নেই। On 15th March and 6th April. Kindly see the, I'm citing two judgments.
We don't know what the fourth respondent has done. So far as the High Court Employees Association is concerned, they have given a letter to the Registrar General saying that based on the call given by the state association or some federation, they are very much wounded about some statements given by some constitutional functionary. Therefore, they are going on ceasefire. Okay. Another letter has been given to the Registrar General by, I think, the PA's association.
Officers Association.
Huh?
Officers Association. They are
Ah.
supporting.
There they have said that. There they have said a DA issue. And they have also added one line, we are not against the High Court administration, etc. But
Lordship, yesterday I am saying, I am not entered into the DNS allowance. There is a matter of right, fundamental right, legal right.
no, let the state take action.
Now, I have only objection. Why repeatedly 15 March, 6th April continued strike is called for?
Sir, peaceful protest cannot be prevented.
Lordship knows better than me. Now the state government financial position is very critical.
That we don't know. That we don't know.
Governor personally has to go and meet with them. But only for strike, call for strike.
What we know is that the government has issued some show cause notices to the employees or officers who did not attend duty on that. And at least cannot the government initiate some dialogue with them, with the office bearers, or if they can initiate a dialogue? What is this? Of course, on the judicial side, you are contesting the matters. You are entitled to contest. They are also not, Mr. Sarkar is not Sarkar. The association is entitled to contest. Some judgment has come. I think Supreme Court has adjourned the matter.
my lord, yes, my lord, what has happened, my lord, I had appeared, my lord, before the division bench here. My lord, we've gone up, my lord, by way of special leave petition. My lord, the matter, my lord, was expedited by the Supreme Court, my lord, to take it up as a final hearing matter, my lord, on a miscellaneous, at the miscellaneous stage itself, SLP stage itself. And my lord, there's, my lord, a direction, my lord, that the contempt which had also been filed, my lord, immediately after the division bench order, my lord, that would not be proceeded with.
That's suppose. Now, what is the date?
My lord, I think it's sometime in April, my lord.
April.
This month, my lord, I think
This month.
11th of April, my lord.
10th.
10th of
10th.
April.
10th.
Before they go on cease work, if suppose the government or the authorities have received some representation, to avoid such a situation, one dialogue may help.
No, I'm all, my lord, for dialogue. It's not that there wasn't dialogue, my lord. Even I tried, my lord, my lord, I had, my lord, a view, my lord, on a legal aspect. And there is, my lord, another view, my lord, on it's not legal at all, my lord. It's more the heart speaking also. My lord, I've tried. My lord, in fact, my lord, we can try again, my lord. And I'll, my lord, certainly, my lord, convey, my lord, your lordship's wishes. My lord, to my lord,
Because like you can't have like a meeting in the indoor stadium. So probably you can have
yes, of course.
3 representatives.
Yes, of course, of course.
Yes, federation is there.
Correct, correct.
Federation is you.
Yes, yes, my lord, there is, my lord, I'll suggest it immediately, my lord. I'll suggest it.
And probably the chief secretary or somebody. And essentially, they are on the percentage of the dearness allowances.
My lord, I'll tell your lordships, my lord.
No.
My lord, one aspect is a question of arrears.
Hmm.
My lord, that is one, my lord, where, my lord, there has been, my lord, a determination. The stand of the state was that there is, my lord, no arrears. My lord, DNS allowance, my lord, has been paid according to, my lord, the revision of pay and allowances. That is the state's case, my lord. My lord, I argued it. My lord, I am, my lord, aware, my lord, that this was, my lord, I felt it was, my lord, justified. I might be wrong, my lord, which, my lord, has to be, my lord, ultimately decided, my lord, by the Supreme Court. So that's as far as the arrears is concerned. That is one aspect. Then, my lord, this budget, my lord, there was, my lord, DNS allowance provided at a particular rate. My lord, there, my lord, they say, no, you have to match central government rate. That is a second aspect, my lord, of, my lord, the agitation. My lord, arrears is one where there is an adjudication today, but there is an order of the Supreme Court, contempt is not to be proceeded with. There's no stay as such.
Now, what is the percentage of DA in the state?
My lord, it's added another 3%. So, my lord, it's, my lord, 6%.
Already 6%.
My lord, that's,
But there is a gross difference between the center.
of course, there is. My lord, and there, my lord,
কোথা থেকে দেবে? টাকা নেই।
my lord, saying for different years, what would be the rate at which DNS allowance would be paid. My lord, that is what had legislative sanction, my lord. That is, my lord, what was, my lord, agreed upon. Now, my lord, that was the minimum which had to be paid. My lord, for 2 years or 3 years, my lord, they were paid. My lord, there was slight difference. It wasn't 37 then, it was 32, my lord, 34, etc. Then, my lord, it tapered off. And, my lord, but it exceeded, my lord, the minimum which was provided, my lord, in, my lord, the, my lord, ROPA. So, my lord, that's what was our statutory obligation, which has been discharged.
Now, the whatever is according to this government, whatever is arrears that has already been paid.
No, according to the government, there were no arrears, my lord, when the order was passed. That is the point. And what is argued is, no, there are arrears. Why? Because in the past, in spite of, my lord, the ROPA, my lord, you have paid in the past at central government rates. That's the argument.
Yes, there is another argument.
My lord, one thing is, my lord, well settled. My lord, that the state, my lord, does not have to give, my lord, DNS allowance at central government rate. My lord, it's decided by umpteen Supreme Court judgments, including, my lord, the acting Chief Justice's home state, my lord, where, my lord, the matter had come up, and, my lord, before the Supreme Court bench presided over by Justice Bhanumati has also held the same.
But that there it is 37%.
Maybe now, but the matter which had gone up, my lord, was something, my lord, which had been, my lord,
No,
decided.
at that time, the difference was close to, I think, 6 to 7% between the state and the center. The associations were agitating that it should be matched. But if the stand is that there is no arrears payable, then the matter has
It
to be
becomes difficult. My lord, on
resolved
arrears, it
judicially.
becomes difficult, my lord. But, my lord, I can, my lord, on the arrears also, my lord, request, my lord, that a sitting be held.
So as of now, the percentage wise, it's 6%,
3 plus 3.
3 plus. But see, at 6% in tier 3 cities, it will be very meager. Probably in Kolkata, the scale may be little better, even at 6%. But in tier 3 and tier 2 and tier 3 cities, it will be very minimal. And today's cease work, what the government intends to do?
My lord, I have, my lord, not, my lord, I hope, my lord, nothing will be precipitated. My lord, we can.
But now government servants, they are all attending office.
Yes, they are, my lord. Many are attending, that much I know. But, my lord, it could be an attendance on paper only. My lord, that, my lord, it is.
we can make an observation that one round of discussion can be had. That is one, without prejudice to the contentions in the matter pending before Supreme Court. But after having heard learned Advocate General, if the stand of the state is that there is nothing payable, no arrears payable, then dialogue also may not take us anywhere. If there is some dispute on the calculation, from what date it has to be given, then a dialogue or discussion may help. If they say, no, everything is over, it is locked, then it will be a logjam situation.
That's as far as the arrears are concerned.
Arrears. But they are also seeking to match the central government.
My lord, they say there are arrears because you were obliged to pay at central government rates. That is, my lord,
But there is no proposal to revise the rates.
my
as
lord,
of now.
that happened this budget, my lord. Where
So 3%.
Yes, my lord, 3 was what was proposed. Another 3, my lord, was added during, my lord, the session.
Employees comply to central government, he has to pay 42%. She has to pay 3 plus 3, 6%. That is not the question.
No, your concern is on this
They are
issue.
working, they are
they
not
shouldn't-
working regularly, they are not working timely. Only for demand. Thou, please give me allowance, please give me allowance. How it can be done in accordance with law? Nobody is above the judiciary, nobody is above the law, but they are above the law. Call for a strike, only one day, 486 crores damage. On 5th March, 536 crores. Any person can imagine it.
Before 2011.
Yeah, where CEOs get money? And another thing is the post of constitutional post. Slag language is remarkable against him. Kindly see the videograph.
But my lord, what's fallen from your lordships, my lord, if my lord, there's no point, my lord, having my lord charged atmosphere all the time. My lord, it's not good for my health either. My lord, it creates a problem.
Day in and day out, age is.
Have to swallow, no option.
Image, color,
2011 আগে আপনারা ডাকেন
আবার ওসব কথা।
regularly, 15 March, 6th April. And they have said continuously.
Sudden holiday is declared, then nothing is happening.
হবে না, ঠিক আছে।
All right.
Well, just one, well, if there is a negotiation, it must come, it must be with the chief secretary, well, government of.
Yes.
This is all for all departments.
Chief Secretary will definitely
My
be.
lord, chief secretary and finance secretary, I put both of them, my lord, so my lord, that is.
Yes, obviously. And you also choose so that 3 people who will represent.
Well, I'll give it to
This
the learned.
4th respondent is the federation, is it?
Yes,
And all the associations are
yes.
affiliated to. All right, let it be called on 17th.
আমাকে নামগুলো আমার